Instructions for logging into a Light Network account to mine cryptocurrency. Step 1. Access the Lightmining application on your phone. Step 2. Log into your account. Step 3. Click Start to start mining cryptocurrency on the application. Finish mining, press Stop. Next, how to withdraw the exploited balance to your personal account. Step 1. On the main screen, select Wallets. At this time, 5 types of cryptocurrencies you are mining will appear. Step 2. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Step 3. The screen continues to display a request to enter the wallet address BEP20. You will provide your exact wallet address and the balance you wish to withdraw. Step 4. Click Withdraw to confirm. Step 5. Enter account password and code. To get the code, visit lightnetwork.tech, select Home Profile, enable 2-factor authentication, then use the Authenticator app to scan the code and enter it. Step 6. Click Confirm to complete.